In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the battery in a Mitsubishi Eclipse key fob. Now, there are 3 versions of this device. I have 2 of them right here. The third is just like this one, but it does not have that trunk button, so it's just the 2-button version. All of these devices have the same battery inside, and they open up exactly the same way. So regardless of which one you have, you could just follow along with my steps here. The things that you will need to get this device open are one CR2032 battery and a small screwdriver that will be the right size to pull out this little screw in the back. So if you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can go check the link down in the description there. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a few bucks. And then if you don't have the right size screwdriver and you're looking for something, I would recommend this set that I personally use. Just a couple high quality precision screwdrivers, and they're just a couple bucks on Amazon. So that will also be in the link. The link will be in the description as well if you're interested. So let's just go ahead and open one of these up. The first step is to just remove that screw on the back. So go ahead and twist that out of there and carefully set it to the side. Now you can just pull it open with your fingers, especially in this corner where you can kind of get a better hold of it. You can just pry it open. Or if that is feeling a little bit stuck, you can take something like a flathead screwdriver and go in that corner and just twist. And your key ring or keychain might fall off. That's okay. We'll put that back, put it all back together at the end. So come over here to the battery, and you can just take whatever you were working with, whatever of these tools that you have on hand, and just come into the top corner here where there's this little space. You want to go down to the bottom and just get your tool under the battery and gently lift it up. Comes out very easily. You can now dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side is facing down. So you'll just snap that into place, positive side down, and now we can put it all back together. So if you have this kind of a key ring, keychain thing going on, you want to come to this post, which is on the front of the device. You can just hook that on there. You can also lay it down just to keep it more secure so this thing doesn't fall off. And then you're just going to line up this little hole in the corner right on top of there. You can just set that on top, squeeze it all back together. And there you go, just like that. You have a new battery in there. Hopefully you saved a couple bucks. Oh, we forgot the screw. Last thing, of course, is to put the screw in there. Just twist that in and you're done. And yeah, as I was saying, hopefully you save some money. Instead of bringing this thing to the dealership, you just swap out the battery yourself at home. So I hope this helped you out. And if you like the video, always feel free to just drop it a like or leave us a comment, because we'd love to hear your feedback. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.